This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Google Chrome. So I'm right here on the main Google Chrome download page. It's quite a nice looking kind of minimalist page right here. So this URL is absolutely huge. So I will shorten that URL and I will put it in the video description just below this video. So you can just click that link and you can wind up here and you don't have to search or find this page or anything like that. So Google Chrome, the popular web browser, you can just click on this button right here. It will know what version, what operating system even you're on. It knows that I'm on Mac OS, which is correct. So if you're on Windows, you'll be able to download this, and this button will be for the Windows version. But I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click right here, and just like that, we come to this page. So you'll see, you might have seen actually the icon just pop up there. So depending on the browser you're actually downloading this browser on, you will go to the download location and you will follow these steps right here to actually install the program. But that is how to find and download Google Chrome. Your download location will depend on what you have set in your current browser, and you're obviously not using Chrome to download Chrome like I am right now for this video. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Google Chrome useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.